Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lade and I'm here again with another food video. I'll be showing you how I make these really yummy Scotch eggs. This is a great idea for a recipe you can try out this Easter. It's real easy and real quick. To make this yummy Scotch eggs, you're going to need some eggs, some sausages. I used mild Italian sausage. You can go ahead and use spicy or however you like them. I used some suya pepper, salt, thyme, curry, and bouillon powder. I also used some all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs. I used panko breadcrumbs, and then I'll tell you what that last egg is for. The first thing you want to do is to boil your eggs until they're hard boiled. Next, you're going to go ahead and take out your sausage from its skin. And these sausage casings, fun fact, they could be natural or they can be artificial. The natural casings are gotten from the intestines of animals after slaughtering, and that's kind of gross, but yeah, they can get them from the intestines. And if they're artificial, they're made from cellulose, collagen, and some synthetic material. Just thought I should throw that in there. So yeah, if you want to eat that casing, read the packaging to know where it's from or what you're eating. You can see how easy it is to just take them out. You just poke them and peel off. Literally, it's really easy. After you're done, it's time to mash them up. Once you're satisfied with mashing this up, it's time to add your seasoning. Let me just sound a note of warning. Be careful when you add the seasoning because some sausages come already, salted, or sometimes they have herbs in them. So you want to be sure to read your packaging and just be very, very careful with your seasoning. Add almost like a pinch of everything or like a quarter of a teaspoon, something like that. Just, yeah. I was generous with this pepper, obviously, but it's not as spicy as you would think. Shout out to all my Ariwa people from northern Nigeria. With clean hands, you want to make sure that you mix this until your spices are well combined. Remember this lonely egg that I told you I'll tell you what we're using it for? It's time to work on it. You're just going to take the egg and crack it open and whisk. Once you're done with that, set it aside and it's time to prepare our workstation. I just took some cling film or saran wrap, put that on one side of my board, and then I took some paper towel and put on the other side of the board. After your eggs are done, take them out and take the shells out. I made my eggs hard boiled. You can do however you like them. And I'm just going to use a paper towel to take out the water or moisture on the boiled egg. Now it's time for the real deal. I took an ice cream scoop, I put it in water, and I used it to take the quantity of sausage that I was ready to work on. And I think I did 1.5 spoon per egg, but the eggs have different sizes. So I just worked, with it as I went. I put the amount of sausage that I want and I try to spread it out. Spread out the sausage. Once you feel like you have spread the sausage enough, take out the covering. Next, you're going to take an egg, put it in the all-purpose flour. Just make sure it's covered with flour, and then you put it on your sausage that's already spread out, and then you now wrap your sausage around your egg. And the saran wrap, will help you. As you wrap the sausage around the egg, bear in mind that you may or may not have excess sausage. It just depends on the size of the egg. Right here, I do have excess sausage, so I'm going to take it out. My hands are clean, remember? Remove the excess sausage, and I'm going to mold my Scotch egg before I go on. Once your Scotch egg is round and nice, you're going to put it in the all-purpose flour. Just coat it there nicely with the all-purpose flour. Then we're going to go to that lonely beaten egg, and we're going to drench this in there and make sure it's well coated. And now put in our breadcrumbs. We're going to make sure that the Scotch egg is well coated with the breadcrumbs. I'll let you watch this one more time without me talking over it so you see for yourself how it's done. Once you do this to all your eggs, it is time to fry, and I just quickly preheated my oil. Next, I'm going to put my Scotch eggs in to fry. Be careful not to put too many at a time so you can give them room to play. Allow them to fry until they're golden brown. If you need to toss them around a little bit so all the sides will be golden brown, go ahead and do that. See, our Scotch eggs are ready. After finishing with my Scotch eggs, I tried to make a quick coleslaw by slicing up some purple cabbage and grating up some carrots. It's just that, guys. Really, really simple slaw. Mix well until it's well combined. And this is what I used as hay or straws to lay the egg on. You can totally enjoy this as a meal by itself like this. I added some zesty Italian dressing. Our Scotch eggs have been served. Go ahead and eat some. See, I'm helping you guys cut your own. Just open your mouth and receive it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, as I'm talking, I'm sure you're already hitting that subscribe button and also turning on the notification bell. Until next time, bye.